Hi YouTube, it's Alan Sagano. I'm the president of ADS Consulting Group, and today's topic is about a computer bag that we use to carry all of our stuff slash junk. If you're an IT professional, you know you have to carry around a lot of things. I did another video that you can check out on the channel about some equipment that we recommend using for any IT professional, but eBags makes a really good rolling backpack. I'll put a link to that particular bag that we like in the description and to right here, and then I'll also put in the description below, in the comment section below. I've been using this particular bag from eBags. The one I have, I think, is not the exact model that I have in the link, but because the one I have, I think they discontinued. But it's relatively reasonably priced, and it's made really well. It's held up really well, and I'm really tough on my computer bag. So the fact that it's lasted me now, I think, geez, it's been a couple of years since I purchased this bag, and it's holding up really well. No rips, no tears. The zippers still work. So anyway, it's made out of ballistic nylon, as it should be. But we found that their stuff is made really, really well and holds up really well to quite a lot of abuse. So anyway, if you're looking for a good computer bag, this is the one that we've had good luck with. If you like this content, please boink, hit the subscribe button, boink, hit the like button. It does help out the channel. Thanks a lot for listening. Good luck getting a bag computer bag you like. Stay safe out there. We'll talk to you soon. Thanks a lot.